How many times have you heard a talking head business legend sit in front of a mic, they're getting interviewed, they're in a chair just like this, and they're trying to be humble. I don't really blame them, they're trying to be humble, but they get asked like, hey Elon, what's your key to success? What has made you so successful? The answer is always the same, I hate it so much. The key to success is hiring great people. You gotta surround yourself with unbelievable people. They all say it, and it makes me really, really mad. So what is the perfect employee? Who are these great people that Elon Musk hires, that Steve Jobs hires? They work hard, they're never late, they go above and beyond, they care about my business like I do, they solve problems amazingly, they thrive in situations of chaos. I don't need to tell them what to do. They can read my mind as a business owner. I can just think about things and they'll know what they need to do. That's how I used to treat my employees in 2012, and that's why they all sucked. Really, I sucked, guys. And they do great work, even when I fail to communicate effectively to them. This is the perfect employee. So I read Elon Musk's book in 2012, and I said, damn, I gotta find some of these perfect employees, these great employees. Every interview I watch with all these billionaires, all they talk about is these great employees. So I went out and tried to find great employees to drive box trucks. Just like Nolan, you're gonna hear from in a little while, tries to find great employees to drive lawnmowers and run weed eaters. Maybe you're trying to find great employees to sit in an office and inject people's skin all day, right? The stuff that we're doing is not rocket science. I don't believe in change the world culture. I hate the venture capital backed stuff because all the rich people I know, they did really common things. They just did them uncommonly well. So I was looking for this. This is what I was looking for. I was looking for unicorns. They didn't exist. There was no employee that would care about my business like I cared about my business. There was no employee that could read my mind. There was no employee that would stay late. There was no employee that would do any of these things. If I worked my people too hard or if I was a jerk to one of my employees, they said, hey, fuck you, Nick, I'm gone. I'm gonna go do something else. So you have two options. You can find world-class people to join your company. That's what the billionaires will all tell you to do. I don't think that's very approachable. I realized really quick that I wasn't gonna be able to find those people. Or you can do what all the people do who've gotten rich doing boring things, and you can build a company where normal people can thrive. That was a mindset shift for me in 2012. Hey, I'm placing a job post on Craigslist. Back then we hired on Craigslist. And I was hoping that unicorns would walk in the door begging to work for me. It's just not true. The actual key to success is building a business where normal people can thrive.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation, and it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.